Hey Small World, it's Kinsey. Today I'm at Epcot. Today I'm going to be checking out how busy the crowds are here at Epcot during spring break. It is a very cloudy day here at Epcot. It was just raining, but now luckily it stopped because I cannot film in the rain because my camera is sadly not waterproof. I'm here at the Sunshine Grill and I got the avocado toast and shrimp and grits. So this is the avocado toast. It looks really good. The shrimp and grits, the Fruit Loop slushy, and the cinnamon bites. Now I'm trying the avocado toast and shrimp and grits. So first I'm going to try the shrimp and grits. Let me grab that. I really like the corn and the shrimp and grits, and I love the shrimp. Now I'm trying the avocado toast. It looks really good. So I just tried the Fruit Loop milkshake and I liked it. It was really good. It tasted a lot like Fruit Loops. The crowds today are not as bad as what I was expecting. I know the park reservations were full to come to Epcot today. Same with every single park since it is spring break. But Disney's done a good job with minimizing the amount of people who come into the parks. I found one of the Easter eggs in Africa. There's Dale. Look at the harmonious barges out in the middle of World Showcase. They definitely block the view, but there's some work going on the main one that I can see. So my camera just died, so now I'm on my phone. So sorry if there is a quality and audio difference. I'm looking at some of the festival merch and they have the cutest cups. They have like little foam balls inside of them and some Easter eggs, t-shirts. We have, it looks like a cup to put things in. Like almost a windbreaker, but very light coat. Spirit jersey. Look at these, like, this is like a bowl. How much? $34.99. We're gonna see if they have Ratatouille merch. Look what I found. The Ratatouille ears, which I need. I'm definitely getting these. And I believe they are $29.99, so the same price as the ears. And they also have this really cute wristlet. It looks like a kid's t-shirt, a kid's toy set, a stuffed animal, and yeah, that's about all I see up here. The people performing are Motown and Moshe, and they usually perform at 7:30 and 8:30. I was expecting the wait times to be really long here at Epcot today since it is spring break, but the wait times don't seem to be very long. The longest wait time is Test Track, which is 60 minutes, and that's about average, maybe a little bit more than average. Going on Figment, the wait time is 10 minutes. I've not rode this ride in probably 2 years, so I'm excited to go hop on it.
Let your imaginations run wild.
Bienvenidos. Para su seguridad durante su estadía en nuestros lugares.
Hello! On your tour, you'll see how the 5 human senses can help capture your imagination.
Oh, can I go too?
Absolutely not. This is one of our discoveries, the figment of imagination.
Yeah, I know all about the senses. There's sight, sound,
want you out of my sight.
Out of sight? Okay. Come on, everybody. Here we go.
Figment, you are not to interfere with the tour. Is that smells often trigger the imagination, especially when pleasant, familiar smells come into play.
Come into play? I'd love to.
Figment, this is not a good time.
It's always a good time to use your imagination. So let the good times roll. Woohoo!
The Seasons quick service is closed, which I think is kind of interesting because I thought it stayed open pretty late and the park isn't closing for another hour. Going on Soarin'. I'm interested to see what the wait time is because they sent us down this path instead of the normal one, so I'm wondering why, and hopefully that means it's a short wait. Take that back, there are actually people up here, so maybe they just switched out the queue to over here now. Soarin' said the wait time would be 65 minutes, but so far it's only been 11 minutes and we're already up here.
Soon you will be airborne. So if you or your little aviators have a fear of flying or of heights, you might want to wait for your party at the arrival gate.
You guys have the whole row?
Oh, that's nice. Okay. I love the new lights. They're kind of like LED lights, and I saw on my TikTok page, they change them by like a click of a button to any color they want. I think it's really neat looking. It definitely lights up the place a lot more, and I love it. I love being in the parks this late. It's almost 11 o'clock. I have not been in the parks this late since before COVID, which is crazy. I love being in the parks at night. I just love the vibe and everything. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Bye!